morning. It took forever to boil and it never actually did quite boil. But it's warm, have warm coffee. It's forecasted to rain for today and the next day. So I'm gonna try and make it all the way to Amman today. It's 100 hilly kilometers. It's my lucky day. Just as the rain began, I found coffee and biscuits. This road is so bad for dogs. There's a lot of shepherds here, and they don't always do a lot to help call off their dogs. One big day in the rain is better than 2 medium-sized days in the rain. So, better just suck it up. 3 kilometers at 10%. I think I'm near the top. Hard to tell. The weather's miserable. I'm still 4 hours from Amman, but I've stopped off at Ras. It sounds like I can't remember the name. It is Ras. Because there's supposed to be some amazing mosaics here, and I can't pass by a mosaic even in this grim weather. Wow. It's huge. Wowee. Amazing. The images of people seem to have been messed with and they now look pixelated. Oh, 4 hours to go. That's the city of Madaba over there, which I shall be visiting hopefully after Amman. I'm not complaining really, but sometimes my life is sitting in a stairwell with wet feet, eating a bag of crisps because there's nothing else. I did get the party mix as an attempt to cheer myself up, and it does feel a little bit like a party. 2 hours to Amman. "10 kilometers. I've got 2 punctures. I wasn't about to stop and fix multiple flats in the rain when I was just 10 kilometers away from my brand new tyres. So by pumping it up 3 or 4 times on the way, I was able to limp my way slowly into Amman. In Amman, I was joined by my dad and we took a trip together down to Petra and Wadi Rum. More on that later. Back in Amman at the National Museum, I checked out these oldest sculptures of the human form in the world, plus the Dead Sea Scrolls and these clay-covered skulls which might indicate an ancient ancestor cult. Speaking about the Bedouins, this sign reads that the nomadic lifestyle of constant migration requires that all their belongings be easy to pack, lightweight and multi-purpose, which sounds very familiar. So this is my new toy. I'm about to be reunited with my old friend. Hello, Gibbo. And I can now film myself hugging my beloved bicycle. It's been too long. Oh, this is going to be fun. So the slow puncture I've had for the last several weeks has finally given up, just as I arrived in Amman, but my new tyres have arrived. Can't scream. I can do selfies from a distance with my little tripod thing. I'll give you a tour of what I got. I hate this job so much. I've only got one fresh tube, so this old tube's gonna have to stay on. I think it's okay. We'll just have to grab a new tube as soon as I can. Okay. Also picked up this sexy number, which doesn't agree with my ponytail, and also I think I don't need it because it also came with a sticky thing to go on the helmet. But meanwhile, I'm going to see if I can point this in the right direction to show you my tyres now. Look at the state of this tyre. It's like 15,000 kilometers old. Oh look, that's probably my most recent problem. But fortunately, I don't have to worry about this because it's going in the bin. Oh, this is not a flattering angle. Let's not do this one again. So this is my folding tyre. It's done 10,000 kilometers now over 2 stints. So I now get to fold this back up and carry it in a pannier with me. It takes up about a quarter of the front pannier, so it is a bit annoying to carry. I haven't caught on to the fact that I can do things two-handed and film them. I just need to use the headset for it. I've also been brought a new roll-off gate sprocket, but I don't think there's a roll-off mechanic around here. I haven't found one closer than Tel Aviv. If you know differently, let me know, because I need to get that on urgently. And I also have a new hub for the front because I think the ball bearings have gone. I guess that can wait until Tel Aviv also. It's Ramadan now and it's just before sunset, so you can see all the tables are full with people patiently waiting and not eating. Still about 20 minutes to break fast, but the salads are coming out. You order off this little piece of paper, and then when you're done, you take your paper and your money over to this little booth. I'm delivering my tea, which is now going cold. Waiting for the horizon. Okay, I didn't hear the muezzin, but the guys behind me are eating, so okay.